now you can all open your audio and video. So one by one you can speak and let me also have your feedback, how you felt about the class.
I won't say it's awesome learning. It's a divine learning. Every time I get, I cannot tell you in words the amount of energy I get, the happiness, and I'm slowly becoming calm and calm. I don't know how to express. I've become a very good person.
Excellent. That is the inner transformation that we seek. So I'm really happy that you're saying this. Very nice.
Thank you, Guruji.
Okay,
Thank you.
okay. Yes.
This is Gunjan.
Hello, hi. How are
So
you?
nice to see you.
You're still in Bali?
I'm in Bali only. The construction is now picking up slowly. Now
Okay.
it's picking up because of the
Okay.
COVID. It was a little. It
Okay.
became a little less.
Okay.
What can I say? I think Selvi ji just said right now. It's like a divine. Every time I do it, I feel something new to learn. And this is the
Okay.
third time I'm doing with the Alpha Mind level 1. And
Okay.
it's always a divine experience. And I am absolutely blessed. Not only me, everybody I guess are blessed to know you in this lifetime, Guruji. We must have done something really, some good karma to be associated with you in
Thank you
this
so
life.
much. Thank you so much for the kind words. Wonderful.
Yeah, you really mean the whole world to me. Thank you, Guruji.
My blessings to you. Thank you very, very
Thank you.
much.
Thank you, Guruji.
Ma'am, this is Vaishnavi Karthik.
Yes, Vaishnavi.
It was very awesome, ma'am. Really, at the last moment of feeling, I felt something inside me
Okay.
because I healed it for myself only for the first time.
Okay.
So I felt really something was happening inside me. It was really good experience. And as Gunjan Sharma said, ma'am said, we are all blessed, I think, to have associated with you. Really will practice this. I was trying this for past 2 years, but I was not able to connect with. Only today I was able to.
Good.
Really, I'm thankful to God and to you, Guruji.
Thank you so much for saying that. I'm really happy that you could make it today and connect with us. Please do practice. You will see
Sure, Guruji.
changes in life. Life will change after today, without any doubt. Just a little bit of effort and practice every day. Okay? All the best.
Okay, Guruji. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Hello, Guruji. This is Sushma.
Yes, Sushma.
So this was the first time I was taking up the alpha meditation, and now I think I've got this hope of speaking with the subconscious mind and seeing some changes. Before I couldn't believe that we could do so much, although I knew we could. But today I'm getting that belief that yes, something will really happen. So thank you so much for that.
Wonderful, wonderful. All the very best. Please make use of whatever you learned today. Everything works. So please make use of it and do write to me, write mails. Then I will know how it is working. Thank you so much.
Sure, Guruji. Thank you.
Yes, Priyanka.
Yeah, so this is my first session with the Alpha Mind Power.
Okay. You're from where, Priyanka?
I've been reading. I'm from Norway.
Okay, okay, right.
So yeah, so I've been reading about it quite earlier, but this is my first session, and I believe now from now on I can take it up. And I also believe that I have lost a lot of negativity in my life now.
Okay.
So it's a good fresh start for me. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Excellent, excellent. All the best and my blessings. Okay, good. Very nice. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes, I think Monisha, you were about to say something. Yeah.
Yes, Guruji. Yeah, anyways, thank you so much for this session.
You're from where, Monisha? I didn't get.
I'm from New Zealand.
Okay, okay. Very good. Yeah.
New Zealand. It's actually midnight, 1 o'clock here. But
yeah,
honestly,
I was just wondering.
I don't even feel a glimpse of a sleep or anything. It was so awakening and it was so refreshing. This is actually, my mother was with your session for the past 4-5 years. She was the one who kept telling me it was really nice. But I was waiting for a chance because I live here. I was waiting for a chance for this to come online. And the moment she said I said, yes, Ma, just please help me get registered. I want to get a complete session of this. She's told a lot, but there's nothing what she's told. My real experience with you now it's something beyond what I can really say.
Good, excellent. Nice.
I'm very happy too.
Very nice. Please do practice. You will see a lot of things happening in life. Okay? My blessings. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Okay.
I'm Dr. Gayatri Ramesh, and I've been trying to actually do this for a very long time. It was introduced to me by my friend, one Dr. Shamla, and
Okay.
she's done a lot of levels, very promising, and she's been telling me, and for some reason or the other, I've never been able to, come for the live session. But when I heard this, and she'll constantly keep sending me messages when what is happening.
Okay.
And I was never able to do it. So this time when it was possible, I was really very happy, but I couldn't register in the sense that the payment never went through. And you wouldn't believe I registered at 2:53 for the 3 o'clock
really?
program.
Okay, okay.
So, but I think you have made us feel anything is possible. Thank you.
Yes, everything is possible. Where are you from, doctor?
I'm Chennai. I'm an associate professor actually.
Okay, okay.
So I'm really happy I was part of this program.
Wonderful.
And thank you so much for that. I think
Thanks
we
a
are
lot.
blessed, just like all the others who spoke before me.
Thank you very much for being with us today. It was
Thank
great.
you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. My blessings.
Yeah. When the next program will be on this basic level, just to refer to a few of my friends.
Basic level, we intend doing it in Tamil in August.
Okay.
So it will come in rotation like that. We have other classes, every Saturday I'm doing a class.
Yeah.
And the other topics we are taking up each. One Saturday we do it in English.
Okay.
And the next Saturday in Tamil. So that way we are alternating. So many classes, 10, 12 classes are there.
Okay.
Topics, so one by one we are doing.
Okay.
So if you can keep in touch and since you've got the mobile app now,
Yeah.
you will be updated there
Okay.
in the website also. So then you can be informed about it.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you very much then, to all of you for joining us here and making the session so good. So there is something written in the chat. Let me just read that. The one thing I want to do the meditation regularly. Please do it. My lab didn't support mic. My mom knew it when she was 20 plus, but couldn't learn. Since it's in English, she asked to learn. I got hope to transform my life in good path. Excellent. I'm so happy about that, Arul Mori. But we are also doing classes in Tamil. So if your mother wants to learn also, it's not too late. The same basic class we are having in August, sometime we have planned. So if you keep looking at every week the program, you will know what class is coming up. So please try to be with us. When will we do Sri Vidya meditation? Yes, I'm planning to do Sri Vidya maybe within a month's time, Gunjan. Because that was one class I was very skeptic about doing online, But now I'm also gaining confidence after so many classes online. I think we can do Sri Vidya also. So I'm also slowly preparing for it. Maybe within another month or just after a month, we will be doing it.
Thank you.
So keep in touch. Okay, thank you everyone, one and all, for being with us today. It was a great session. I was really very happy. And for each one of you, I hope you have gained something today in this class. And please practice. And no matter what situation comes up in life, believe me, if you just practice this meditation and think about what you want out of that situation, then that's the best way to live. And you will really see many things working also. You can create the life that you wish to live. And no matter what you're going through today, no matter what is the difficulty, just practice this meditation. It's very simple. I've given it in a very simple way. Please practice and see the results. And as I said earlier, one thing I forgot to ask you is, although the class is in English and the meditation and the book PDF will be enabled in English generally, but if any one of you wants it in Tamil, can you please make a note in the group, not here in the chat, in the group, so that my staff will see it and the IT people will see it and they will enable it in Tamil for you, only if you want it in Tamil. Otherwise, it will come in English. The book PDF and the main meditation will be enabled. It will be under my classes, my products. See in that. And you will get this. But the other meditations which I mentioned, the goal visualization and talking to the subconscious mind, the healing meditation and getting rid of negative emotions, all those separate meditations are available on the mobile app in the meditation section. So you can just subscribe to that and easily you will have, not only that, there are some 22 meditations there. Please have a look at those and make use of them also. And keep in touch with us, keep writing to me. Thank you very much for being here. Namaste.